8 early signs of prostate enlargement in men. Prostate enlargement is a common condition which affects over 50% of men between the ages of 51 to 60. However, this problem can begin at any age, even in the early 20s and 30s, and can cause problems when you urinate. The prostate is actually a small, walnut-sized gland which sits just below your bladder, which can become inflamed if it becomes too large. Prostate enlargement is a serious condition which can lead to infections, urinary problems, and a higher risk of prostate cancer. Why does it grow? Drinking alcoholic drinks, having liver damage, being overweight, or following a poor diet can all raise estrogen and insulin. Estrogen and insulin are two anabolic hormones, basically meaning that they cause things in the body to grow. In this case, they can cause the cells of your prostate gland to multiply, causing it to become enlarged. In today's video, we will highlight the 8 most common signs of prostate enlargement that you can watch out for. We will also share some simple natural remedies and nutrition tips to help heal the prostate and prevent it from growing any bigger. Early signs of prostate enlargement. 1. Frequent urination. If your prostate is enlarged, it can put pressure on your bladder, making you have the urge to urinate more often. You will notice this problem is worse when you have consumed sugar or alcohol, because these substances trigger high insulin levels and prostate swelling. 2. A constant urge to urinate. If your prostate is enlarged or inflamed, it has a squeezing effect on your urethra, the tube that your pee passes through. This sends signals to your brain that you need to urinate even though there is nothing to pass. 3. Incomplete urination. The squeezing effect caused by the prostate can also prevent you from passing all of your urine in cases where the prostate has become very swollen. The high estrogen or insulin levels we mentioned earlier cause the prostate to balloon out and prevent you from completely emptying your bladder. 4. Painful ejaculation. Some men suffer with painful ejaculation. You may notice an uncomfortable and radiating pain around the penis, bladder, and the rectum. This can happen during intercourse or shortly after ejaculating. 5. Weak stream. The pressure caused by a swollen prostate gland can also cause you to have a weaker stream when you urinate. By squeezing the urethra, less urine is able to pass through from the bladder, causing you to pee at a slower rate. In some men, the urine stream can start and stop intermittently. 6. Dribbling. Unfortunately, you may also struggle to completely switch off after urinating, causing dribbling after you have used the toilet. This is extremely common in older men because of how high estrogen levels weaken the muscles around your bladder and urinary system. 7. Peeing more at night. A prostate that has become enlarged can pinch your urethra closed, making it harder for you to completely empty your bladder before you go to bed. This will cause you to wake up several times during the night and can interrupt your sleep. 8. Blood in urine. If you pass blood in your urine, it can be an indicator that your prostate is swollen or infected. Visit your doctor immediately for a quick diagnosis if you pass any blood in your urine. This can also be caused by urinary tract infections. If you experience some of the symptoms we just mentioned, visit your doctor for a blood test or a physical exam as soon as possible to determine how severe your condition may be. How can I shrink my prostate? If you do have prostate enlargement, also called BPH, you will want to know what steps you can take to start shrinking the prostate and protecting it from further enlargement. 1. Eat lots of organic cruciferous vegetables such as kale, collard greens, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. These leafy greens are loaded with plant compounds that help to balance your hormones, especially insulin and estrogen. These can help to stop your prostate from growing larger over time and also reduce inflammation. 2. Remove alcohol and sugar from your diet immediately. Drinking alcohol damages your liver cells and causes a spike in estrogen, a hormone which causes your prostate to enlarge. Sugar also has the same effect and raises insulin to trigger prostate enlargement, so cut out sugary foods and you will soon notice improvements, especially with urination. 3. Remove all dairy products from your diet immediately. Milk and dairy are rich in growth hormones, which are there to help baby cows grow. Men with an enlarged prostate become very sensitive to these hormones, making their prostate grow even larger. Cut these out 100%, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. 4. Eat shellfish at least 3 times per week, such as mussels, oysters, clams, and shrimp, soaked in a little apple cider vinegar. Shellfish are nature's best source of zinc, a trace mineral that helps to shrink your prostate. Pumpkin seeds are also a fantastic source of zinc. Zinc helps to raise your testosterone levels, helping the prostate to work properly. 5. Start using some powerful herbs that support the prostate gland. Saw palmetto is one of the best herbs to help reduce anabolic hormones and fix problems with urination. Decaffeinated green tea is excellent to drink through the day, helping to balance male hormones and prevent further prostate growth. We also recommend eating tomatoes daily, as these contain an antioxidant called lycopene that shrinks the prostate gland and reduces the risk of prostate cancer, along with garlic, stinging nettle root, pygeum, and ZSP. 6. As a final note, please avoid soy protein isolates, a cheap ingredient often added to ready meals, diet shakes, and protein powders. Soy mimics estrogen in the body and causes major hormone imbalances that can lead to enlargement of the prostate. Following these steps can help to protect your prostate from further damage and help it to recover by shrinking it down to its normal size. Summary: prostate enlargement is caused by a build-up of anabolic hormones in the body, most commonly insulin and estrogen. By spotting the urinary signs of prostate enlargement shared in today's video, you can begin to make improvements to your diet to prevent further enlargement. Removing junk foods, getting more zinc, and eating organic tomatoes and vegetables can help to shrink the prostate back down to its normal size, whilst reducing the risk of prostate cancer. To learn more about prostate enlargement, natural remedies, and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.